You created a logotype for coffee shop, and now you need to show your design your customer, and you need to show your design in real life. With that, mockups will help you so that you can show your designs on packaging and to show your design in real life your customer. Mostly mockups are created in Adobe Photoshop, or you can create mockups in Adobe Illustrator. But today I'm going to show how you can do it absolutely for free and online without Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. At first you need to take design. I took that illustration from Envato Elements. Now go to Place It. It's a great website for graphic designers, bloggers, and if you want to create something interesting for social media. Now we need to write here free mockups. And here you can find a lot of different mockups absolutely for free, and you can use them online and to download it on your computer. I need mockup with coffee, so I write here free mockups coffee. So now you see mockups with mug, and I'm going to take mockup with girl. It will be like merch for our coffee shop. Now let's press edit. Now design, upload from your device, and now select your design, open. Okay, now here you can change the size of your design, and you can move your design up and down if you like it, for example like that. And now you need to press crop. Okay, it's ready. Now let's press free download. Free download. Our mockup is downloading. Okay, it's download, and now you can open that mockup on your computer. It's absolutely for free, without watermarks, and pretty good quality, and you can use this design in your portfolio to show your customer and to show the real life of your designs. Hope you like my video. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. See you guys, bye!